Would you like to take a bath? Would you like to take a bath? You could use a bath. What do you say? Do you want to take a bath? Allie. What? Bath? Is that a yes or no? Do you want to take a bath? Yeah? Is that a yes or no? Should we take a bath? You're so drama. You're drama. I guess that means you want to take a bath.